Respected madams, respected sirs, good morning one and all. How are you my dear children? I hope you are all fine. Okay, don't go outside, please wear mask. Okay, then previous lesson what we are discussing, the Central Islamic lands. This is our fourth chapter. What is the lesson name? The Central Islamic lands, and which year to which year? 600 AD to 1200 AD. So this chapter, fourth chapter. Okay, look at the board all of you. Our lesson, fourth chapter, the Central Islamic lands, (600 AD to 1200 AD. Okay. In previous session we are discussing introduction. So once recall the previous session. Okay. Open your textbook page number 32. So in this chapter we are going to read about the history of more than 1 billion Muslims living in parts of the world. Okay. Then how can you find the Muslims and Christians and Hindus? First in this lesson, Islamic. Okay. So we know about the Muslims. They are citizens of different nations, speak different languages and dress differently. Then second side heading, rise and expansion of Islam. Life of Prophet Muhammad 570 to 632. Next one, Islamic calendar. Teachings of Muhammad the Prophet. We are discussing the previous session. Now in this session we are discussing the spread of Islam. Spread of Islam. Madrasa. Legacy of Islam. Economy. Okay. Now in this session we are discussing the spread of Islam, Madrasa, legacy of Islam, economy. And previous session we are discussing the teaching of Muhammad the Prophet. Okay. Then now we are discussing the Muhammad should recite. What is the recite of the Muhammadans? Okay na? Okay. All of you write neatly these 4 points: spread of Islam, Madrasa, legacy of Islam, economy. Previous session I forgot the recite of the Muhammadans. Okay. Then what is the Muhammadans should recite? All of you mention the La ilaha illa Allah Muhammad Rasul Allah. Every Muhammadan recite this word La ilaha illa Allah Muhammad Rasul Allah. Okay. In this recite meaning, there is no God but Allah and Muhammad is in his prophet. This recitals, okay, of this creed of the called Kalma, K-A-L-M-A. Okay. What is the? There is no God. In Muhammadan language there is no God but Allah and Muhammad is his prophet. This recital of his creed is called Kalma. Okay. A cube-like structure called Kaaba. Okay, cube structure called Kaaba, K-A-B-A. And spread of Islam. Write down all of you, my dears. La, L-A-L-A, L-A-I-L-L-A-H, I-L-L-A, A-L-L-A-H, M-U-H-A-M-M-A-D, R-A-S-U-L-A-L-L-A-H. Okay? Now, spread of Islam. Spread of Islam. In this lesson, spread of Islam, the administrative capital of the emerging Islamic state with Makkah, okay, as its religious center. What is the religious center in Muslims? Makkah. What is the spelling of Makkah? M-E-C-C-A, okay, M-E-C-C-A. And also, this is the Muslim administrative capital, okay. What is the Muslim administrative capital? Mecca, and it is a religious center, okay. And Iraq, Iran, Egypt along with Syria were brought under the control of Medina, okay. What is the control of Medina? Iran, Iraq, Egypt along with Syria were brought under the control of Medina. Medina spelling M-E-D-I-N-A, okay. Then what is the success of the Arabs? Okay, one question. What is the success of the Arabs? So, military strategy, religious fervor, and the weakness of the opposition contributed to the success of the Arabs. So, I write the question. What is the success of the Arabs? Success of the Arabs. So, what we are discussing? Military strategy, and religious fervors, the weakness of the opposition. Okay, what is the question? What is the success of the Arabs? So, 3 points is there. One is military strategy, and second one is religious fervor. Third one, the weakness of the opposition. Okay, these 3 points success of the Arabs. Okay, then, okay, here, this is the spread of Islam. And Islamics, that means Muslims are divided into 2 types. Okay, Muslims are divided into 2 types. One is Sunnis and Shias. They both are Muslims. Okay, but divisions is two types. One is Sunnis and Shias. So Sunnis percentage 83% and Shias percentage 13%. Okay, in the living world. Okay, living world, Sunnis is 83% and Shias 13%. Okay, so the Muslims into 2 sects. Okay, 2 sects. One is the Sunnis. Second one, the Shias. Okay, Shias and Sunnis. Why they divided into 2 sects? So open your page number 35, my dear students. Open page number 35. Sunnis and Shias. Okay, side heading Sunnis and Shias. The Muslim into 2 sects, the Sunnis and the Shias. The Sunnis strictly conform to the Sunnah, S-U-N-N-A, costumes, uses and form regarding all matters and look to the Quran for directions. Okay, Sunnis what they following? Quran for directions. Okay, then the Shias hold the opinion that Abu Bakr and his two successors were as Arpers. Okay, they maintain that Ali was the legitimate successor. The Shias also observe the martyrdom of Hussein at the Karbala during the first 10 days of Muharram. Okay, clear, my dears? So, what the percentage of the Sunnis in the world? 83%. And the Shias? 13%. So, we are both are Muslims. So, how many sects in Muslims? 2 sects. One is the Sunnis and second one is the Shias. Children, what is the meaning of legacy? Legacy means Telugu Varasatvam. In English, property. Okay? Legacy of Islam. In this heading, main points, the Muslims produced enlightened rulers. Okay? The Muslims produced enlightened rulers. The most distinguished Muslim rulers of that time were Harun al-Rashid, okay, and his son Mamun. Okay, all of you write neatly in points. In the legacy of Islam, the Muslims, write neatly, my dear children. The Muslims produced enlightened rulers. The most, second point, the most distinguished Muslim rulers of that time were Harun al-Rashid. This is name, Muslim name, and his son Mamun. Okay, my dears. Once all of you look at the board, legacy of Islam. Okay, the point, the Muslims produced enlightened rulers. What is the meaning of enlightened? Okay, what is the meaning of enlightened? Enlightened meaning in English glowing, in Telugu Jnanodayam. Okay, enlightened means in Telugu Jnanodayam. English glowing. The most distinguished spelling, distinguished. Distinguished meaning Vishishtata. In English, very successful. Okay, the most distinguished Muslim rulers of the time were Harun al-Rashid and his son Mamun. Okay, what is the importance of the Harun al-Rashid? Okay, Harun al-Rashid created opportunities for the poor. Okay, who is creative opportunities? Asul Harun al-Rashid. And which peoples? Poor peoples. They given to opportunities and downtrodden to live in solace and comfort. Okay, I read the Harun al Rashid created opportunities for the poor and downtrodden. What is the meaning of downtrodden? That means anagarina. Okay, downtrodden, to live in solace. What is the meaning of solace? Odarpu. Okay, what is the meaning of downtrodden? Anagarina. Live in solace. Solace means odarpu and comfort. Who given? Harun al-Rashid. And also main point, Harun al-Rashid created opportunities for the poor. Okay, for the poor and downtrodden to live in solace and comfort. And also one point, Harun al-Rashid encouraged learning. Okay, encouraged learning. Which subjects? Art and literature, science, trade and commerce. Okay, what's the encouraging Harun al-Rashid? Art, literature, science and trade, commerce. Okay, my dears. That point also I wrote that. Clear? Harun al-Rashid encouraged learning, art, literature, science, trade and commerce. Okay, what is the encouraged of Harun? Art, literature, science, trade and commerce. Now I show some pictures, important mosques and madrasa. So what is the meaning of madrasa? Okay, I wrote it. This is English noun word. Okay, madrasa, a college for Islamic instructions. What is that? A college for Islamic instruction. Okay, how many important mosques? How many important madrasas in India? 4 mosques, 4 madrasas. Very important. I show the 2 madrasas. Okay. Then which place is located? One is Lucknow in India. Then Gujarat in India. So what is the university name? Darul Ulum Nadwat al-Ulma. This is location place Lucknow in India. Okay. Jamia Islamia Talimuddin Dabhal, located place Gujarat in India. Okay. Then and one is Darul Ulum, location place UP, Uttar Pradesh. And second one Majihirul Ulum, located place UP. So 2 important universities located place in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. And Darul Ulum Nadwat al-Ulma, Lucknow, and Jamia Islamia Talimuddin, Gujarat. Okay, I show the pictures of important mosques in India, mosques and 2 madrasas. Okay. Next subtopic, economy. Okay, all of you write neatly. Main points in economy part. The tax levied means వసూలు చేయటం. Okay, was 1/10 of the produce. What is the tax? 1/10. Okay, levied, LEVIED means వసూలు చేయటం. In Nile Valley, state supported irrigation systems like dams, canals, digging of wells were found. Okay, the tax levied was 1/10 of the produce. The Nile Valley state, okay, which valley? Nile Valley. Nile Valley state supported irrigation systems like dams, canals, digging of wells were found. So what's the crops in this field? Okay. Many new crops produced the Central Islamic peoples. Okay, what are the crops? Such as cotton, oranges, bananas, watermelons, spinach, brinjals were grown and even exported. Anyone guess which place they were exported? In previous session we are discussing 3 continents. Okay, what are the third continent? Come on, very good. Asia, Africa, and last one is Europe. So Islamic peoples even exported to Europe. Okay, what's the produce? Such as cotton, oranges, bananas, watermelons, spinach, brinjals were grown and even exported to Europe. What is the spelling of Europe? EUROPE. Okay. Then very important, what is our subject? History. Okay. And the main purpose, arts. Now your important subtopic, art and architecture in this Islamic period. Okay. What type of art and architecture in Islamic period? So all of you open your textbook, my dear students, page number 39. Okay, look at art and architecture. This is the dome and the minar is 50 meters. Well, architecture, great builders. Okay, then so in this subtopic. Main point is miniature painting was also developed. Okay, miniature painting was also developed. Plant and floral designs based on the idea of the garden were used in buildings and book instructions. The palace modeled on Roman and Sasanian. Sasanian. So what is the modeled? Roman and Sasanian. Architecture were lavishly decorated with sculptures, mosaics and paintings of people. Okay. I read again this point. The palace modeled on Roman and Sasanian. Sasanian. Architecture were lavishly decorated with sculptures, mosaic and paintings of people. Okay. Now, in this lesson, very short, my dears. So, we are some subtopics is increased our government. So, all of you understand in this session. So, finally, we recall the previous part 1 and part 2. So, what we are discussing in previous subtopics, rise of expansion of Islam and which place birth in Islam, Arabian Peninsula. What is the spelling of Peninsula? P-E-N-I-N-S-U-L-A, Peninsula, and which year? 1400 years ago. Okay. Then life of Prophet Muhammadan. So which family? Muhammadan family? Hashmite. So what is the spelling of Hashmite? H-A-S-H-M-I-T-E. Hashmite family. And which tribe? Quraishi. Q-U-R-A-I-S-H-I. Quraishi tribe. And Muhammadan's wife named Khadij. Okay. Wife name Khadij. K-H-A-D-I-J. She is wealthy widow merchant. Okay. Wealthy widow merchant. And what is the meaning of Islam? What is the meaning of Islam? Islam means peace with God. Okay. Peace with God. And the recite of the Muhammadiyans. La ilaha Allah. Okay. Muhammadans. La ilaha illa Allah. Muhammad Rasul illah. Rasul Allah. Okay. There is no God. Only Allah is the only one. Then every time believers should go to the mosque to offer his prayer and listen to the discussion of the Quran. So what is the Islamic what is the important sacred book of Islam? Quran. What is the spelling of Quran? Q-U-R-A-N or K-O-R-A-N. Okay. These are the previous session we are discussing. Now in this session we are discussing spread of Islam. So the administrative capital of the emerging Islamic state with Mecca as its religious center. Okay. What is the religious center? Mecca. What is the spelling of Mecca? M-E-C-C-A. Okay. This is the administrative capital also Islamic. Then, what is the control of Medina? Iran. Which places control of Medina? Iran, Iraq, Egypt, along with Syria. Okay. 4 places controlled with the Medina. Iran, Iraq, Egypt and Syria. Then Muslims are divided into 2 sects. One is Sunnis, second one is Shias. So, what is the percentage of the Sunnis? 83%. And Shias 13%. Total, they overall total 100%. But lives in Sunnis is a high percentage. Okay. Both are Muslims. Next, legacy of Islam. Okay, legacy of Islam. Madrasas. We look at the 2 madrasas and important mosques also. We will look at the videos. Look at the charts. And important one, second important is economy also. And which valley in this lesson we are discussing? Nile Valley. Okay, Nile spelling Nile, Nile Valley. Then final one is travel and trade. Okay, travel and trade. Main points: extensive trade with the countries such as India, China, and the coastal countries of Africa. Coastal countries of Africa, and they bought large amounts. Page number 39. They traveled for extensive trade with the countries such as India, China, coastal countries of Africa, and they bought large amounts of spices from the east, diamonds from Golconda. Okay, diamonds from Golconda. Pearls from Ceylon, and musks, M-U-S-K-S. What is the meaning of musks? Musks mean kasturi, from Tibet. Okay, collected from diamonds. Which place? Golconda. Then pearls from pearls from Ceylon, and musks from Tibet. Diamonds from Golconda, pearls from Ceylon, and musks from Tibet. What is the meaning of musk? Kasturi. And they sold their specialities such as fine. What are the specialities in Muslims field? Okay, one is rugs. What is the spelling of rugs? R-U-G-S. Okay, rugs and carpets. Baghdad perfumes. Muslim or muslin. Okay, muslin means noolu vastram. Gauge, mohair, damask. And what is the meaning of damask? D-A-M-A-S-K. Damask means designable cloth. Okay, designable cloth. And fruit syrups also. It is no wonder that Baghdad became a great city and capital known for its fabulous wealth. What is the city? Baghdad. Baghdad. It is a great city and capital known for its fabulous wealth. So what is the fabulous means? Adbhutamaina. Okay, fabulous means Adbhutamaina. So which city? Baghdad. What is the spelling of Baghdad? B-A-G-H-D-A-D. Okay, this is the Central Islamic lands. Okay, all of you understand in this lesson. Okay, so some subtopics increased our government. In this session, we are given. I am given to assignment. All of you noted assignment. Question, very short questions. Given 3 questions. Very short questions. One is Islamic calendar. Second one is madrasas. Third one, the Quran. In this lesson, we are essay question. In this lesson, essay questions 2 and short answers questions 4 is given also. Then this is the assignment: Islamic calendar, madrasas, and the Quran. Next session we are discussing the how to write question paper model and 1 10-mark question, 5-mark question, 2-mark questions. Okay? Clear? Okay, thank you. One and all.